Hey, Allie. This is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier this week, and thank you for clicking on this video. So in this video, we're going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's mostly holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is that they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found out by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will take this information and do it for themselves, and some will call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So what we're going to talk about today is content, backlinks, and citations. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at your website here, and it's a really good looking website. I like your socials up here, your clickable phone number, your Better Business Bureau. It's a really good website. It's well built, flows, nice pictures, many ways to get a hold of you, and yeah, it's great. But unfortunately, Google doesn't rank you based on how good your website looks. They rank you based mostly on content. So if somebody types in Virginia Beach roofer, Google is going to put them in front of the site that's going to answer all of their questions, which is typically the site that has the most words on it. Okay, so the average front page of Google has around 1,900 words of content. So you're going to want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. You guys currently have a little over 600 words of content on your front page, so 1,500 is going to be the way to go. So yeah, you guys want to be like around 1,500, 2,000, all right? If you look over at commercial roofing, Baker Roofing here, they don't have, they actually have less words of content than you do. But somehow they're ranking at that number one spot for the organic keywords. So another thing we would look at, obviously, with increasing your content is the amount and the quality of the keywords utilized on your site. All right. So the next thing you're going to want to do is make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based on how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant industry-specific sites to link to you. You're going to get a lot more power from like other roofing companies linking to you rather than from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So what we can do here is we can go into this tool called Ahrefs, and it allows me to look at some valuable information on the back end of websites. And this is you guys, and your domain rating, which is your trustworthiness, is really, 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 really low. Even though you have 31 referring domains with 128 backlinks, and you're ranking for 660 organic keywords, this is a very low traffic amount and a very low value here. Okay, so what that tells me is, out of the few referring domains you have, they're not working for you very well. They're not high quality, high power domains. Okay, so for example, again, if we look at Baker, they have less than you, but they are ranking way higher and have a higher trustworthiness. So the domains that are referring to them are more trustworthy and have a higher uh, domain rating than you, and obviously it's worth more value. So this is really easy to remedy. We can blow right past them. First with again, like I said, with content on your page and keywords, and then getting some higher quality, more powerful referring domains for you. So last thing we want to talk about, when someone goes on Google and they search for a roofing company in Virginia Beach, or Virginia Beach roofer, or Virginia Beach roofing company, it doesn't matter. They're probably looking to spend some money, looking to buy. So they're going to click on or call the first company that shows up that looks trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. So here at the top right here, some people spend money to be here by buying ads with Google. All right. And this is a risky proposition because not everybody trusts these or clicks on these, or they may even have ad blockers. Okay, so it's not a guaranteed thing. It could be a waste of time and money for you. But right here, the Google Map hack is awesome because it doesn't take any money to get here. All it takes is to have more citations in directories on the internet than these top three that are sitting right here. And so, what citations are is your name, address, and phone number in different directories like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor. Okay, so all of those different companies. And it's really easy to do is we go in here, we look at these top three, and we see what directories they're on, and then we duplicate it. It's really easy. It's called copycat method. So we grab all the ones we're on plus all the ones they're on, and we amass anywhere from 200 300 citations, and then bam, you're at the top of this map pack, and you're in prime real estate to be chosen by the next roofing customer in Virginia Beach. So basically, that's all I have for you. Hope it was valuable. Just to recap, you're going to want to have a little more content, say 1,500 words of content with some good strong keywords on your homepage. You're going to want to have some more powerful referring domains, backlinks, referring back to you. And then you're going to want to have more citations on the internet than these guys do. And we do all that, and we'll be in business. But if you want to do this all for yourself, please do. This is free education, and I'm trying to help out as many business owners as I can. All I ask in return is that you send me 1 or 2 lines of feedback so that I can know if it was valuable information. And if you want help doing all this, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.